This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice.
Just a little bit.
Okay, I gotta figure out where this music's coming from. There it is. That probably just got me a copyright strike. Good morning, and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Thursday. Hope everyone's having a great night. Ready for a great day? Market's having a great night and day. Okay. That caught me off guard. Anyway. CES. 56.91 for a low. They obviously liked the rate cuts yesterday. 57.79 as a high, so about 80-ish points in range. NQ 636, and we're above 20,000. Well, yeah, we're above 20,000. So almost 400 points in range. And as we can see, if we look at a daily chart, it's going to probably look ugly. There we go. Not too bad. It's the first time we've been above 20,000 since August 22nd. So about a little less than a month. But it only touched one day and then came back down. I'll have to see whether or not this is a sustained move. Copper. Looks like about 280 ticks in range, huge move. Ultra bond a little bit more muted, about 3/4 of a point. Gold. Dipped all the way down to 25.75, up to 26.20. So that's a 45-point range on gold. Crude oil. Back above 70s. Just under 2 points in range. Natural gas is falling. Bitcoin's also happy, finally back above 60 and all the way up to 62.7. So that's where you should stand there, whatever body posture you're choosing to take today. Let's see if we can take advantage of the movement. So I had a feeling that the market would like the interest rate decision. Didn't know it would like it this much, especially since we sold off the end of yesterday. So from the bottom of the move, yesterday afternoon, ES is going over 100 points. And Q is going from 558 all at 20,000, so almost 500 points. Quite the move. we look at our trigger points, see we've already blown through 3 of the resistance areas. Next one's all the way up about 20,083-ish. This is 20,075. Should we expect a pullback at the open? Well, even before the open, maybe, because we do have news. What news do we have today? Of course, we have U.S. initial jobless claims coming up at 8:30. Philly Fed Business Index at the same time. And then at 10 o'clock, U.S. existing home sales. Now we're watching the market a little bit sideways here. Sidewaysness right at 20,000, just slightly above it. So it could have a fight here. Just kind of sits here while we watch and wait. Where is everybody this morning? tomorrow. We start at 2:30 a.m. Eastern time, and we go 9 hours. Me and RJ. Right now we're just watching this go a little bit sideways. Sideways down a one-way street. Trying to pop up again. There it goes to 20.010. Struggling to get above there. Trying to get up to the high 20.018 half. I think that's the high. Yes, it is. We'll get above, or will we double top? Sitting here right now. Good morning, Chris. How are you? There we go. Let's try to make another run for the border. Yeah, I'm feeling somewhat better, Chris. Still tired-ish, which isn't real good going into the 9-hour stream tomorrow, but we'll power through. And Q still trying to move up. Slowest grind up. I'm just kind of waiting. We got news in 10 minutes. Did anyone trade the FOMC yesterday or the aftermath of FOMC? I'm going to try this short here. Small stop. Oh, little burst. But retreating. Right back to my entry, unfortunately. That might be a bounce. So we're going to move the stop down to the top of that last candle there. So it's a real tight stop now. If it stops me out, it'll be fine. It's a 2-point stop, so nothing huge. And stopped out. Yeah, Scott and Topstep, Michael Patak got into an argument yesterday. So he decided to add a 10% discount to the already discount. It's a flash sale. I have no idea how long it lasts. So it could already be over. Honestly, he didn't put any end date on it. You just need to put in 2 different codes, the FTT_45, and then the second code is apology_tour. I guess what it does is it makes that 150K account actually cheaper than Topstep's 150 or something. I don't know. I saw someone say that. I didn't verify that. Five minutes till news. Yep. Excuse me. Definitely, if you're interested in fast track, load it up. Oh yeah. And that's honestly, Chris, that's good discipline because, I know there's a lot of people that try to budget themselves and then they'll just totally ignore that budget or don't have a budget and just continue until they're tapped out totally. So, good job on that. Don't want to run yourself broke with this stuff. And I believe that the 45% will be going into October. He just said indefinitely, and I can't believe that's just going to be 2 weeks. Apology underscore, yeah, Tor, T-O-R-E. Yeah, apology underscore, here, let me type it in. Nice move down here right before news. Just trying to hang on to 20,000. So it's working okay? Excellent. Yeah, it was interesting that they made it that it would accept 2 different codes. Dow falling, ES falling, NQ falling, gold falling, platinum going up. Yeah, news coming up in less than, well, a little over a minute. Yeah, I guess so. When you add topstep's eval fee plus funded fee, that would be less than the 150K. I guess Michael Patak criticized Fast Track on Topstep TV yesterday. So, Scott wasn't going to let that go. And started firing back on Twitter. Ooh. A shot up, shot down, shot back up. $4,500. And right back down. Could not again get above that same level. It was struggling with the high day there. Maybe coming down. I doubt he watches my stream. Besides, people have said worse in my Discord, and there's been no repercussions. He actually did redact it. William, there'd been no way he would have figured out who you are. Me, he could figure out. You, not really. I'm sure there's plenty of William A's in their customer database. Last night I saw the biggest order ever that I've ever personally seen come through in Fast Track. A Speed Racer. I'm not sure exactly. It just shows me the order total, and the order total is $5,391. Rising up here. I didn't take this blue candle. We were kind of choppy, but I guess I should have. Take the next one. So I'm thinking that might be 20 150Ks. But I didn't do the math breakdown. Trying to figure it out. Awesome, Rad. Morning, Robin. How are you? Yep, that would definitely that would be huge. Morning, Moxie. I'm doing all right, Robin. Good morning, Mr. Burrell. Thank you. Trying to stay above 20,000. Gold with a big old dip. Dip, 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 dip. It's kind of chopping. Back down. Trying to maintain 20,000 again. There's the break of 20,000, break of the 100 EMA as well. I mean, yeah, that sounds wonderful, right? Oh, wow. So you're saying right now people can get 25% off of the Le Mans? 15 plus 10? Wow. That's probably the biggest discount they've had on that big one since their launch, or even maybe even before. Yesterday we had the Makos from EG Indicators on, showing us how he uses the trigger point indicator. If anyone wants a free trial of that indicator, here's the link. Bounces on the 100 EMA. I have not heard that Burrow. I should probably send that out in an email. How much coding is that going to require, Burrow? How much adjustments do you have to make to your algo? So about $12,000 for 20 of them. Yeah, it's going to take a while. That's pretty incredible, William. Pushing down to the 100 EMA again. So we're seeing slightly lower high. And down. This is not fun to trade right now. Not really giving me anything I want. Tell me what I want, what I really, really want. Rhythmic always has issues. Trying to bounce on the 100 EMA. Not really enjoying this right now. Probably both. Can't get through that 100 EMA. It's bounced on it a few times now. There's a purple candle though. And we're back through under 20,000. Hey Tom, how you doing? Hey John. Yeah, I didn't get it updated. I'm having trouble keeping up with everything. I'll get them. I mean, honestly, when the I've had 2 sales on Earn to Trade all year, so changing them isn't my highest priority. But yeah, I'm trying to get some work done on my sheets. That see right now, when something changes, I got to go into every sheet individually, which can be anywhere between 4 and 6. Change it individually, and then take a screenshot of every one, and then post it up. Um, I'm having someone work on my sheets now that when a discount changes, I'll just be able to put it in one spot and it'll automatically change over all the sheets. So I'm trying to make things streamlined because honestly, I've got to the point where I just can't keep up with everything. So I have to figure out how to be more efficient or find help. But I'll definitely get that corrected all over the weekend. I probably won't get much done today because I have the 9-hour stream that starts at 2:30 a.m. tomorrow. So I'm gonna be napping tonight, and then but this weekend I'll catch up on stuff. Honestly, Tom, if I do bring on help, like to keep up with the sheets and stuff or whatever, I'll probably find somebody here from the trading community that's just looking to earn some extra money because, there's a lot of people that are trying to do this whole trading thing of prop firms that are still struggling for money. Like I was, not that long ago. So I would probably just, you know, see who wants to earn a little extra money and I'll throw it that I can throw at them. Not at the place where I can put out a lot yet, but also a case of if I don't, find a way to be more efficient or get help, I'm gonna stagnate. Awesome, William. That would be great. Yeah, because I don't want people, if I'm testing out a company, I don't want people to know it's me, and B, I can't keep up with the amount of accounts I have now. Yeah. Yep. Have I gotten payouts? No payouts yet. Part of being MightyOxTrading is the fact that it's hard to concentrate on trading because I'm doing so much other stuff. Yeah, I'm not quite there, bro. Talk to CFT about that one. Speaking of CFT, he'll be here on Tuesday. Back up to 100 EMA and rejects off of it. Not the. I mean, this really hasn't been an exciting morning here at all. Yeah, he may not like charts, but he is 8th in the MyFundedFutures trading competition for the month using charts and using NQ. Riches Analytics. Hello, welcome. I don't recognize your name, so if you're new to the stream, welcome. If I've just forgotten you, forgive me. I'm old. Might have early onset Alzheimer's. Look at gold fall. So double purple there. That'll been beautiful. It's fallen back under 26. Yep, back above 26 now, but trying to hold that 26. Wouldn't that be something? Nice. That's a wonderful trade, Rich. But a lot better than what NQ's doing right now. Just trying to bounce. Crude oil at its high day as it heads into its open. Keep really not giving me anything I like. So I'm nosy, so I always like to ask new people questions, but do not feel obligated to answer. Just tell me to shut up. Multiple people have. But how long have you been trading, Rich? Do you trade any other assets besides gold? And do you trade with your own money, or are you using the prop firm method, or both? Hey, Market Trends, how you doing today? Here's the top of the hour. Not even really any wonkiness there. And now they're a little bit pushing down a little bit. ESNQ and YM. Oh, there you go. There's a drop. 10 points. Gets back down to that 990 level, trying to bounce again. Now less than 30 minutes to the bell. Nice. Nice. Good job, Rich. Hey, Platt. Good morning. Breather. You've been, like, trading a lot, Platt? Kind of just still hanging here. It's not really giving me the movement I want. Decent bounce there on gold. Crude comes down on its open. Oh, wow. Yeah. Take a breather. Rangy, choppy. About 25 minutes till the bell. I do hate it when I can't get my jigsaw running. I mean, how am I going to make new puzzles? Can it break through this level finally? We shall see. Just haven't seen any trades I like. Taken that one small loss so far. We will get back. Oh, there we go. There's a drop. Finally breaks through. Ooh, and a bounce. Big bounce. Gonna try the long, see if it gets through the 9. Nope, looks like it's bouncing off. Not gonna give it the full stop because I think it's gonna nail me, so be about $100 loss. But let's see. Maybe it'll bounce. Come on. Come on. Morning Ace, how are you? There we go. Target hit. Like I say, good trade. 6.25 points there. Hey, Saudi guy, how are you? In about an hour, U.S. home sales. Yes. I mean, it can move the market, but not that huge, usually. Here's a nice move. I wish I'd stayed in longer, but that's okay. Nice bounce back up, trying to make new highs. Couple points away from the high day. Making the run. Run, run, run. New high day, 20.022. Still rising. There we go. Nice, Ace. Very nice. May have reached the top. Let's see. Tries to pull back a little bit. You get runners almost every day anymore, Ace. I really think those new arteries are working for you. My cat says good morning. If I ever need open heart surgery, I'm going to ask him to put in those trading arteries. Morning, RJ. He's up 5 points. There we go. 4 points. 4 points and a blood-sucking insect. Hanging right here around 20,032. Please, sir, may I have more? Pulls back a tad. Why is that, William? Oh, yeah, he doesn't actually come up on, well, every now and then he'll come up on the desk. But most of the time he's just here on the floor meowing. Continuing to rise. I will be napping. Or maybe I'll just start the stream tomorrow morning and let RJ start talking, and I'll just mute and sleep for a couple more hours. September golf in Canada. Glad to hear that the courses haven't frozen over yet. Well, they want to communicate too. That's right, I do remember that. He's meowed like 5 times in the last 2 minutes, so I guess I should be 5 contracts short right now. There's number 6. Dude, he's like 20 pounds. And he gets plenty of food and Temptations cat treats, which should be called kitty crack. He's so fat he broke his cat tree. I'm going to have to buy another one. It's kind of hanging here at 20.033. Just a few minutes till the bell. That was our best move there, that nice long. John, you got any trades in yet today? John the 4? Dude, you gotta shut up. People think I'm starving you. Nice, John. He meant here on the stream, like he was taking over the stream, Ace. But obviously, if you want to go visit, you can. Five minutes to the bell. Ace, Mrs. Ace doesn't have you locked in the basement, does she? Still rising. New high day there, 20,048. I see NQ rising. I see profits on the way. So don't go short today. There's an NQ on the rise. Not many people would agree with that. Thanks, Ace. I thought you were my biggest fan. So we're going to get the bell at the highest point of the day, highest point in months, honestly, 20,057. Maybe time for a new deck of cards. I might need to replace my aces. Comes down, pops up, comes down, pops up. Kind of a muted move here for the bell. Just kidding, Ace. Just kidding. Gotta have an ace in the hole. Little secret that nobody knows. I'm short, but I forgot to change my stop and target. Let's try it. Oh, nope. Doesn't look like it wants to go. Come on. Beat it down. There we go. Come on. Push it. There we go. Oh, ouch. Bounce. Decided I didn't want to go any further than that. Bounces back up. Trying to come back down. Bounces on the 20. Back up on the 9. This could be an ouchie. Maybe not. Come on. Oh, bounces on the 20 again. Doesn't want to break that 20. And there's the bounce. Ouch. Come on back down. Come on. Give it to me, baby. Nah. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we don't go. Another bounce. Same area. Just fall, will you? Yes, it's falling nicely. Cat's meowing. I had to go short. Target hit. That only gave me 2 heart attacks. 9.5 points. Russell going straight down. Russell is going straight down. 14 points. Wow. Technically, this is another signal, but I'm not getting back in. I should have got back in. I just moved down. Still falling. Still above 20,000 for now. What do you think, guys? Is ES going to hit 6,000 before the year's over? I would tend to agree. I admit when I read it earlier this year, some analysts, I read an article about some analysts saying 6,000. I thought they were a little crazy. I no longer think they're crazy. I should have taken that blue candle. Pauses here at 20,036. What do you mean, William? What do you mean with Apex? Still rising, trying to get new high day. High day now 20,058. We just hit 54. Yeah, that must have been some sort of glitch or weird thing because it's been corrected now and they've now passed 300 million in total payouts. So this is, I don't know if there was a computational coding glitch or a fat finger or what, but yeah, it's corrected now. And they're now up to 307 million total payouts. Still shocked that they're not doing a special sale for that and their third anniversary. I had a bigger third anniversary than they did. Had the car yet been invented yet, Ace? Or no? That's a long time ago. Let's see. Let's see. Last time ES was under 2000 was 2013, 2014. Although it did dip down to 25, 24 during COVID. Pulls down here a bit. Interesting that we're going opposite directions on ES and NQ today. NQ up, ES down. We are about 17 minutes from news. Pushes down here. So retreats after getting up to a new high of 20,073. No problem, William. Yeah, I mean, I had that feeling, but I mean, it was just weird, you know? Could you imagine if all this time they accidentally are adding like $120 million to their totals? Right back down. Whoop, 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 whoop. So I like this purple candle. Oh, we might take it if it holds. Right now it's retreating. Ooh, come down to the 100. That's a big candle now. It's a 35-point candle. Yeah, he probably would have. RJ, you grab any of that short? Yeah, I heard he does a good job with that. I've never actually watched any of his stuff, but heard he's good with that stuff. Trying to break through the 100 EMA here. And it does. Heading back down toward 20K. Whooshy. Yep. There was that bounce off the trigger point. Trying to touch it again there. Meanwhile, NQ breaking 20,000 underneath now. Glad to hear that, Crypticon. Good morning. Yes, breaks through that resistance now. AQ has fallen about 100 points from its high in about 10 minutes. Good. Glad to hear that, Crypt. Rhythmic giveth and rhythmic taketh away. I mean, it's probably going to be mostly on Q, but I'll look at other stuff. Here's a bounce up. Yeah, I don't have that availability. I'm not going to pay for that data stream. You might look at some currencies. Long. About a point of slippage there on that long. Come on, go. You're kidding me. Come on, go, go, go. You know you wanna. Shot up about 6 points before pulling back. I don't think this trade was ripe yet. I think this was still wants to come down, but maybe. Come on. Like I said, this is a great trade. Target hit, 10 points, 85.50 to 95.50. Good job, Crip. Close up that trading computer and, well, I guess you can't close it up, but, you know, go find something to do. what is lossless cut? Oh, totally forgot about it. Totally forgot about it. My brain has not been the best brain thing. I just brought it up now, so I'll have the tab open now so I can check it out over the weekend. Thank you. Like I said, don't do it in my brain. Yeah, I'm glad you got your mind settled, Crypt. So yeah, I definitely will download that now and check it out. William, appreciate that reminder. Did you get a good amount of the Dow collapse, RJ? Yep, I appreciate that. I got a bunch of stuff I need to work on. I'm gonna work on starting to simulcast the stream here at YouTube and also on Discord, and have a whole bunch of things I need to get done. I need to hire like 20 assistants, and when I say hire, I mean like pay slave wages. Hits the 100 EMA, bounces off. uh, 50 cents an hour sound okay, Ace? Well, darn, knew I offered too much. Should have started lower. Trying to push back down. Let's see what it does. Oh yeah, news. Less than a minute to go till news. New home sales. I'm glad we could help, Crypt. You have friends here. Always remember that. Well, so far that news report ain't knocking our socks off. I'm not even wearing socks. Why lie? My fake foot has a sock on it. My real one doesn't. So that news report was a nothing burger without cheese. And Q's struggling to get through its 100 EMA here. In fact, all the different EMAs are all entangled. There we go. Blue candle trying to pop up out of this mess. Can it rise above it? Yep, FTT. Big sale. I don't know how long they're going to do that extra 10%. Are you still green on the day, though, RJ? Fast Track Trading is 55% off their smaller accounts and 25% off the real big account. Target hit, another 10 points. Nice, RJ, very nice. So I've taken 5 trades today, 4 winners, 1 loser, up 646. I can probably find you a tutorial on that, Crypt. Because I had to look at a tutorial when I first was trying to figure out how to use Quant Tower's copier. IMAD's been missing this week. Wonder where he's at. Did you hear the train, Ace? Good. It's already gone. Sorry. How am I supposed to turn a train up? Coming to you live from the train tracks in Decatur, Illinois. It's a pretty busy intersection there, so it'd be kind of noisy to broadcast from there. Didn't take this blue candle. I feel I'm going to regret that, but we'll see. Need a very long extension cord to plug everything into. Struggling here? Come on. 45, blue candle. Bigger blue candle. Not sure I totally trust it. I got trust issues. Went long 3 micros. It's not wanting to go here. Pulls back. Tries again. Nope. Yeah, it's going to be a stop out. I think. Again, maybe not. Then again, maybe. Yeah, stopped out. So, small loss there, 3 micros. Coming down. Wasn't confident in it, so I went with the micros. Happy I did. Blue on black. Trying to bounce there again on the 100 EMA. And a bounce. Okay, so there's a code that gives you 45% off, and then there's a code that gives you an extra 10% for a total of 55%. They're not gonna. There's not a 95%. Maximum amount is 55%. Please hold. You need, if you want to get the 55%, you'll need to put in two different discount codes. There you go. FTT45 and apology underscore tour is the two codes you'll need to put in to get the full maximum discount. And it did rise back up. That was a nice bounce candle there that it could have grabbed. That has a nice ring to it, eh? Crypticon, sorry. Yeah, they are very popular. I just wish the CEO was a little more sane. But yeah, very popular. I agree, John. Offense just wasn't there. I see the Tigers are now only a half game out of the wild card. There we go, and Q. Try to head toward that high again. 72. Right near that resistance line from the trigger point. All right. Maybe I get permission to broadcast right from the rail yard here in Decatur. Have you ever looked at the map of Decatur and looked at the rail yard here, Ace? Oh, that. Like 50 tracks there. It's not that far from me. I'm around this area over here. No, I'm around. I don't even know where I'm at. But anyway, that train that derailed in Ohio last year, that had actually stopped in that rail yard the day before. No. How close am I to that? Hold on. I'll tell you in a minute. Not far. Oh yeah, it's not far at all. Here. On this little red pin here, and here's the rail yard. So, yeah, mile or two, I would say at the most. Scroll if you zoom in. Since I'm right here, this is the track you're hearing I train on, Ace. It's like 2 blocks down the street. You can see how many railroad tracks there are in Decatur. Oh, I don't care. It's on every email that goes out every morning, so if anyone wants to come visit me, hello. Every day, the email goes out with the best prop deals. Probably should advertise that more here on stream now that I think about it. The MightyOxTrading discount snapshot email goes out every day. Quick blurb about anything going on in the industry, and then all the deals of all the biggest prop firms in your inbox every day. Well, unless you've signed up for the email list, Ace, you won't get it. And since it's about prop firms, I really didn't think you wanted it. But if you want to sign up for the email list, I can get that link. It's here somewhere. Here it is. Rising up. Still going. New high 20,092 quarter. Are we going to get 20,100? Ooh, Dow with another big dump. But yeah, since it's in order to be in compliance, I have to have an address on the emails, and since I don't rent like a post office box or anything, it has to be my home address. No Phillies updates on that. Just prop firms. No, I'm on Logan, Crept Logan. What did you find, RJ? Back down to the 9, trying to bounce on it. Sitting right on that trigger point resistance. Not sure which number resistance. Resistance 3. Oh, interesting. It sounds like something that'd be cool to watch. Awesome. Yeah, I'll have to check that out. Billy Martin, one heck of a character. One heck of a. How many total episodes are there? Yeah, I was 3 in 1977. Sitting on that 9 EMA. Mr. October. Still rising. Oh yeah, Sparky Lyle. He was a Philly for a while too. And Q breaks above 2100. There's some people that are still trying to get Nettles into the Hall of Fame. Oh wow, look at this run. Whoosh up to 2125. Ooh, Whitaker, John. Hey, is it pronounced Bonnie or Boney? Caston. Welcome to the stream. Glad you're enjoying it. Yeah, we try to do things calm here. Every now and then you'll hear me get a little wound up, but we're not bombastic like some other channels. So, again, I'm nosy with new people, so I have questions, but you can tell me just to, mind my own business and not answer them if you like. But I always like to know how long have you been trading? Do you trade your own money or do you trade with prop firms? And what asset or assets do you like to trade? Yeah, if you want to tell us where you're from too, that'd be cool. But I'm out of operatives now to stalk people. No, okay. Still rising up here. 136 is the high. Look at this. I mean, this is an amazing day overall. Boom, 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 boom. I think the trigger point's out of resistance. Almost 500 points from the very bottom to the top. Crude oil, natural gas inventory is coming up in less than a minute if anybody's trading gas. Awesome. Yep, we have about 30 minutes left in today's stream. Then tomorrow we're doing a special 9-hour stream from 2:30 a.m. Eastern Time to 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Me and RJ Wheel. Oh, excellent. Excellent. I have 4 funded with them. I just need to get them back into the green. They're all slightly red. NQ is just going to go to the moon. Oh yeah, topstep's one of the best in the industry. I just don't promote them anymore because they dropped all their affiliates. Or almost all their affiliates. Topstep pays out tens of thousands every day. We have 158 now, the high. Yeah, I like my funded futures too. They're a good prop. That's actually the account you see me trading now. I'm trading at MyFundedFutures eval. Same here. I'm mostly NQ. Every now and then something else. And I'm in a platinum challenge, but I keep forgetting to trade platinum. Who said he was switching, Ace? I'm confused. Did I mention it where, Crypticon? I've mentioned it here a couple of times. Oh, well, a lot of people trade multiple prop firms, Ace. I mean, I currently have accounts with like 5. I don't. Yeah, I mean, I did give you the extra code. I don't have it up anywhere because I don't know how long. They said flash sale, so I don't know how long they're having that extra 10%. And I don't want to be like changing stuff just for them to change it back in 8 hours. Did you get both codes, Crypticon, or if you wanted them? No, use Crypt. Did you? Are you getting more accounts or? I can. Okay, here's both codes. There you go. There's both codes. FTT _45 and apology _tour. You have to put in both to get the 55% off at Fast Track Trading. Pulling back here a little bit, so we got up to 58 half. It's pulled back 25 points. Quick pullback. Let me verify the, or maybe it's not working anymore. I can't guarantee it, but hold on. Let me see if I can go to their Discord and see if anything's going on. Yeah, hold on, Crypt, hold on. Yeah, I don't think they ever put it in there. So I'm looking on the Discord. Hold on. Okay. LOGY. Yeah, those codes are right. So I mean, I haven't looked to see if maybe they ended the extra 10%. I don't know. It's so hard to keep up with all this. Sitting here at 2133. 5-minute chart makes it look like NQ wants to come down here, but I'm not going for that yet. About 20 minutes left on the stream, and then 9 hours tomorrow. Who's going to join me and RJ for all 9 hours tomorrow? Ace already said his sleep is more important. Which saddens me. Sorry, Ace, I like you, but I don't want to cuddle with you. Big drop here, 27 points. Below the 20 EMA. Bounces above it. We're short Hoping for the drop. There it goes. Boom, target hit. 10 points. 120.75 to 110.75. How did they add? Which size are you getting, Crypt? So what's your total price coming to? I have the 25K at 98.45, not including the extra 10% off. So just the 45% should be coming out to, yeah, 98.45. That's the right amount for the with the 45% off. That's what I have on my sheets. Bounce there. Glad I got out when I did. Coming back up. Honestly, I don't understand how they get away with, all these prop firms get away with not adding tax. Big bounce. Yeah, but I think by law they should have to be charging sales tax, but I don't know. Definitely not a tax expert. It's still trying to come down. Can it hold 2100? Breaks back under 2100. Not 2100, but 20100. NQ sitting right above 2100. So tomorrow, 9 hours. Me and RJ. See, is there any news tomorrow? Tomorrow's triple witching. Besides Eurozone consumer confidence flash tomorrow and Canadian retail sales. If I promote it like that, we might get hundreds of viewers. Trying to bounce here. Yep, tomorrow's going to be an interesting day. How many contracts do you usually trade? I'm pretty much only a one contract guy, and then I'll cut down the micros at times. I was going to take that long off that green candle. I didn't. You see, it would have worked. Nice. Nice. So if I don't take another trade this morning, we have about 10 minutes left. For today, I am 5 wins, 2 losses, up 775.20. NQ, RJ. He's an NQ trader. He said that he later then said he trades mostly NQ. Yes, RJ will be on the mic for the entire 9 hours. With the exception of when he leaves to get coffee. Because he won't take my advice and put the coffee pot near the computer. Great work, John. Sorry to hear your algo's all of a sudden kind of slumping, though. Just a checkup on that, or is it giving you problems, John? Wow, RJ, wow. Okay, good. I was worried there for a minute. Ontario. He's not flying to London and England to see a doctor. How about that? The Canadian side of Crypticon family. Hopefully, John DeFore's not seeing in our doctor in the garage. There's a name that will haunt the Phillies forever. Worst trade in Phillies history until the Ryan Sandberg trade. In your guys' opinion, from up there, does Montreal have enough interest in baseball to? Is it worthy to receive a baseball team again? Ferguson's the name of somebody, not a location, Crypt. Ferguson Jenkins, Hall of Fame MLB pitcher. Still falling here to the 100 EMA. I should have taken this purple candle right here. That was off the 20, off the 9. And that's a trigger for me, and I just didn't take it. The things we talk about here at MightyOxTrading. And all this can remind us that Canadian futures trader will be here with us on Tuesday. Yes, it is. 9 hours tomorrow. So far, the times RJ's been on with me, he's like made big money each time. So him coming on with me seems to be making him wealthy. Yeah, as I was saying that, RJ, I was thinking, oh my God, he's going to say I jinxed him. So I do want to thank everyone for joining me. Join us for all our part of our 9-hour stream tomorrow from 2:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. I'm going to be taking a nap later on. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. And we'll see you bright and early tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day, guys. We'll see you then. I'll be here. If I'm ready, I can't say I'll be ready, but I'll be here.
If you enjoyed today's live stream, remember we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from Mighty Ox Trading. Have a great rest of your day.